Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can download Euro Truck Simulator on PC for free. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you have to do is just go to Steam and make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. So what you have to do is just go to search the store and you need to type in Euro, basically the game's name. But once you type the whole game's name, like Simulator, and you gotta type in this keyword right over here. It's called demo. So if you press on the demo, it will bring up to you this page right over here. So you can play the entire game by just downloading the demo, but I'll show you the hack for it on how you can just simply play it forever. So as you know that you can make a lot of Steam accounts, so what you can do is just download this demo and you can play it at least for 5 days. After that you can just switch to another Steam account and you can play it a bit more. And yeah, this is how you can just keep on playing the game and enjoy truck driving simulator. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye.